We have a freely available reporting tool on our website at www.generalistultrasound.com/reporting tool, aimed at people doing or learning comprehensive echo who don't have access to proper reporting software. At the moment, it's designed to predominantly create a generic echo report and also a report for the European Diploma of Echocardiography. So you just need to click here and you can download it for free. When you open the file, you'll see individual tabs covering the various different structures, much like when you use a conventional reporting software. These tabs are initially locked to prevent some of the formulae being inadvertently deleted, but you just need to right-click and press Unprotect Sheet to be able to edit whatever you want. The first page has basic demographic information, including specific aspects of critical care imaging, including cardiovascular and respiratory support requirements. Here you can see an example of some of the data I've added for one of my ICU scans. Things like the body surface area and BMI will be automatically calculated based on the information that you put in. Some of the cells have drop-down arrows as well for commonly used data, such as here you can see image quality, and a drop-down gives you good, fair, limited or poor. All of these selections link to the Lists tab down here. So if you want to create your own, then I've included some explanations within the Instructions tab at the far right. To match the EDEC reporting format, there are also some extra tabs down here so that you can put in the extra data needed. The second tab has a quick input section. I did this because I found it slightly tedious to flick around the tabs to input the data from a scan. So this was just the order that I tend to perform measurements when I do a transthoracic echo, and all of this information is then automatically pulled across into the respective tabs. Moving forwards to the LV tab, you can see that the data I've entered into the Quick Input tab has been brought into these sections, and lots of calculations have already been applied, including index volumes and ejection fraction calculations. Normal and abnormal values for each of the measurements are to the right of the data entry tabs and will automatically change based on the demographic information put into the Info tab. Each tab will have one or several summary boxes where you can write the conclusion for that specific structure. One slight nuance with Excel that you need to remember is that if you want to write on a new line, you need to press Alt or Option and Enter, rather than just pressing Enter. Otherwise, it will complete the entry for that tab. The Summary tab will automatically bring together all of your summaries for each structure for reference. You can then put your overall summary in the box at the top. Remember to Alt-Enter to type on a new line when doing this. Once again, there are a few additional boxes needed to finish an EDEC report, including diagnosis, recommendations, and response to therapy. So there's some extra boxes on the Summary page at the bottom here. There are two report tabs, the Critical Care Echo report and the EDEC report. All information will be carried forward to both reports if you're collecting both for both logbooks, and these are fully customizable. So if you want to add some trust logos or whatever you want to the top of the report, then feel free. You can see that the summary boxes are not completely optimized for printing yet. Also, there is text on different pages that just doesn't seem to fit. Just ignore this other text, it won't be there when you print, and it simply is a way to optimize the page quickly to fit everything you've written. To make everything fit, just simply click on the box at the top left of the screen and press Full Report Selections. Then press Format and Auto Fit Row Height. Feel free to then add or delete whatever else is needed for the report. The process for the EDEC report is the same. Just go to the top left, press EDEC Selections, and then Format and Auto Fit Row Height, and then all of your data will fit nicely into the report. Then you can press File and Print, and the print area will already be selected. Print using a printer or print to PDF. There are plenty of instructions available on the final tab for reference, including plenty of screenshots to help you through the process. That includes doing your own custom drop-down menus, information about the summary tabs, and then exporting to a logbook, which we haven't covered today. Lastly, it'll show you how to export your report so that you've got it as a PDF file. If you have any questions or ideas as to how to improve this, then please don't hesitate to leave a comment or email me directly. I'm really keen to make this as good as possible and keep it freely accessible to people to help them on their accreditation journey.